Right now, I'm staring at a window that belongs to a beautiful, witty, 65-year-old woman named Ray. These are snippets of her room from before. Ray won my makeover giveaway, so I drove an hour and a half to turn her current bedroom into a coastal staycation of her dreams. Before I arrived though, I had my painter create this grayish-blue accent wall with the existing shiplap, and my handyman replace all of her old knobs with these antique brass cabinet pulls. This is currently the inside of her cabinets, lots of room for organization. And this is the wall where Will installed the floor-to-ceiling bookshelf because she's a voracious reader. Now let's get started. Ray was so sweet for labeling all of her items in detail to let me and my team know what she wanted to display and where to display them. This made our job so much easier. While getting to know her, I found out that she created this awesome acronym for how she wanted the rest of her life to look like, and the acronym is ROCKSTAR. R for resilient, O for optimistic, C for courageous, K for cool, and STAR. She also shared a verse in her planner that said, "Teach me to realize the brevity of life so that I may grow in wisdom." Psalm 90, verse 12. It was very clear that she wants to cultivate an abundance mindset and from there, live a full life, a life worthy of the calling she has received. And that's exactly the kind of soul I want to decorate for. I used to be a copywriter at a startup, but I quit my job to pursue self-employment full-time. It's been 5 years since then, and I've transformed exactly 5 different homes for all of my followers to see. But this is the first year that I started making over other people's homes for free. This would not have been possible without my partner VCNY Home, who stepped in to make my dream come true. I'm hanging up their curtains right now as we speak. This is from their boho-inspired collection on Amazon, called Indigo Ink by VCNY Home. I love how the curtains are light filtering and complement the room so well. I'll show their gorgeous bedding products in just a bit, but first, let's hang up the bookshelf. I'm gonna color code all of Ray's books and perhaps add mine into the mix. If you didn't know, my newest book, Forever Home, is now available for purchase. If you liked my devotional journals before, you're gonna love the content in Forever Home. In it, I share all about how I went from being an angry, dejected, and hopeless girl to now living my dream life, a life of beauty, faith, and abundance. I used to not care for God at all, but then He met me when I was at my lowest point and brought me on a journey of healing that was beyond anything I could have imagined. If you're feeling stuck in the same relational cycle or finding yourself constantly anxious about your future, this book is for you. It's time to uproot the things from your past, live free from the pain that's holding you back, and experience the abundant life that God designed just for you. Welcome home. As I got to know Ray, the one theme that kept coming up was the theme of the ocean. Her dream was to have an oceanfront view because of the serenity and inspiration she derived from the sea. So I created a coastal-themed bedroom using the cozy products from Indigo Ink. I chose their soft and washable rug in the geometric boho pattern to balance out the natural wooden bed frame. It's got a beautiful texture and it's stain-resistant. Next, I went in with the gray floral bedsheet set. It adds texture without overwhelming the small space. Then I topped it off with the cozy white and navy comforter. These colors give a nod to the Californian coast without going overboard with the nautical theme. I completed this bedscape with their tufted pillows and super soft throw blanket. I linked to all of these products in my description box, so check it out. This is what the window wall looked like before. She kept her TV monitor, work desk, and most of her craft supplies against this wall. And this is what it looks like now. Cozy, calming, and tastefully coastal. Having the bed in this direction also improved the flow of the room. This is what the shiplap wall looked like before. It was where she kept her bed, books, and some of her cherished drawings. And this is what it looks like now. I added a height-adjustable desk with plenty of storage for her craft supplies, a cute little lamp, my own books, and created a gallery wall of her own artworks above her desk. This is what the entry wall looked like before. She's always loved reading, so this was where she kept her bookshelf and various documents throughout the years. And this is the new bookshelf we installed. My husband was actually the one who decorated the shelves. Can you believe it? He's definitely promoted to junior designer in the next makeover. One of my team members, Devra, created this sweet artwork on the spot, and we placed it right next to her bed so she could see it first thing every morning. Finally, my team member Ashley color-coded her closet and turned it into the most satisfying eye candy in the whole room. This was what the closet looked like before. We had some broken knobs, but overall it had a lot of potential. Now this is what the cabinet and pantry looks like. We installed motion-sensored lights, some lazy Susans, and these hanging baskets on the cabinet door for more storage. The closet is now beautifully organized and everything is accessible. Unfortunately, my camera did not record Ray's reaction, but the good news is that my backup iPhone did. So here you go. Here's your new room! Come on in!
Ashley, Devra, Jonathan. It's beautiful.
Yes!
It's chic, it's classy. Oh my god. That's
Here,
gorgeous!
these are all yours!
Oh my god.
Yeah, I was thinking like, what kind of art should I put on her wall? And I'm like, she's an artist. She has to have her own stuff. And sure enough, they found it and framed it.
So beautiful.
Yay! You told us you wanted a more coastal theme, but I know you're a woman of taste, so I didn't want to go hard on, like anchors and seashells and stuff, but I know you love the color blue and different hues of it to remind you of the ocean. So that's exactly what we thought to do with the bedding, to the pillows, to the color-coordinated books.
I can't believe it's mine.
It's all yours. Can I give you a hug?
Yes, thank
Oh.
you. Thank you. My hands are sweaty.
Oh, don't worry. But the coolest part is this.
Oh, that is awesome. Oh, this is just gorgeous.
Aww. So all of this is sponsored by Indigo Ink. By VCNY Home, and they have a great assortment of boho inspired bedding designs and curtain designs. I know, and it's all washable. You don't have to worry about this getting ruined in the dryer or anything. I've washed mine several times and it's still as soft as ever. The rug is washable as well in your washing machines.
Awesome.
Yeah, it's very convenient and it's high quality and you can use it for years and years to come.
It's beautiful. I love the way you set the bed. I would have never thought you'd have done it that way at all. Thank you.
Of course.
I love it.
Woo! Gosh, thank
And-
you so much. Wow.
And this.
Wow, thank you.
Thank you for everything.
Oh my gosh,
All of
Ray.
you. Ashley, Devra, Jonathan. Thank you.
We're splitting
Thank
this
you.
basil, guys. I love this wrap.
That's a leaf from the tree there, and then a flower from the flowers that I bought at Sprouts.
I'm keeping this forever. I'm
Right.
pressing it. Thank you. You are so thoughtful. Can I have another hug?
Yes, yes. Oh my God.
Well, you're never gonna kick us out because we're staying here forever. Coming back next week. We're bringing in and out again. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Redeeming Home. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and share it on your socials. Again, I've linked to all of the featured products in my video description, as well as my new book, so check those out. I'll see you again soon.